Good morning, boys and girls. I want to give you your directions for your math and reading today. So in your reading book, we are on page 42. This is a fun story, how I spent my summer vacation. You guys are probably thinking about summer vacation at this point. So the genre of this book is just like the last story that we read. It's a fantasy. And a fantasy is a story that could not really happen. And some things in a fantasy to look for to prove that it's a fantasy is that there are characters who do things that real people cannot do, and the setting may be different from our real world. Okay, so those are some things you're going to find in this story. And then I want you, once you've read the story, okay, which now's the time to pause and do that. Once you've read it, you're going to answer number 1. How does Wallace use his imagination in his report? And I think you're going to find he used his imagination in a lot of different ways. Okay, so that's your reading assignment for today. Take your time to read that. And guys, you can read that to yourselves. Okay? All right, so that's your reading. For your math, we are on the 7th page of our packet. Remember, I said you can go ahead and number your packet pages. That will help. And do I have enough money is the question, all right? And I will read them to you. You can pause in between. All right, number 1. Jason has 2 quarters and 2 pennies. He wants to buy a pencil that costs 25 cents. Does he have enough money? Find how much money he has and then circle yes or no. Number 2. Anna has 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. She wants to buy a new notebook for 40 cents. Does she have enough money? Anna has how much money? And does she have enough? Yes or no? Number 3. Bobby wants to buy a new eraser that costs 15 cents. He has 1 nickel and 6 pennies. Does he have enough for the eraser? All right. Pause it to find out how much money he has, and then pick yes or no. Number 4. Jesse has 4 dimes and 6 pennies. He wants to buy ice cream for 45 cents. Does he have enough for ice cream? All right, do the math and find out. Number 5. Holly had 34 cents and her mom gave her 5 cents. How much does she have altogether? Does she have enough to buy a toy for 50 cents? Okay, so she had 34 and then she was given 5 more cents. So we need to add or subtract. You have to decide to find out how much money she has. Number 6. Sally had 61 cents and she gave 17 cents to her sister. How much does she have left? Does she have enough to buy candy for 45 cents? All right, so she gave some money away. Are you going to add or subtract? Pause while you're finding out, and then does she have enough money? Yes or no? Number 7. Sam has 21 cents, 14 cents, 8 cents, and 32 cents. How much does he have total? Does he have enough to buy soda for 75 cents? Okay, you've got to add all those up to find the total. And then decide, does he have enough? Okay, number 8. Lily has 15 cents, 12 cents, 5 cents, and 10 cents. What is the sum of her money? Does she have enough to buy a new pen for 35 cents? Add it up and find out. All right, guys. So those 2 assignments, that's all you have for schoolwork today. If you completed it as we went through the video, you're all done. Have a great day and stay cool.